Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Welcome to our today's class. Dear students, today we will start a new chapter from our book, Chapter 7. Here, today we will discuss about the organs of Bangladesh government. In class 8, we have learned about the state and government. Do you remember what is state? Yes, students, consists of population, specific territory, government and sovereignty, that is called state. Here, government is an important element, and we read about the government in class 8 and the classification of government also. So what is government? Do you remember? Government is that type of organization who control the all activities of the state, and with the government or help of government, a state can run. And we learn about the many types of government. Here main types was democratic government and dictatorship. And we know at present the democratic types of government is very popular in all of the world. And do you remember what is the types of Bangladesh government? Yes, students, the types of Bangladesh government is, at first, Bangladesh is a democratic government. After that, Bangladesh is a parliamentary types of government, and Bangladesh is a unitary types of government. Today we will focus on the parliamentary types of government. Why Bangladesh is the parliamentary types of government? I hope you all remember about the parliamentary types of government. I repeat it, parliamentary types of government is that type of government where the three organs, the executive, the legislature and the judiciary. These three types of organs is these three types of organs consist in all types of government. But in parliamentary types of government, the executive group obviously accountable to the legislature group. I hope you all remember about it. This executive group is accountable for their work to the legislature group. That is called parliamentary types of government. Though Bangladesh is the parliamentary types of government, so the executive group of Bangladesh is accountable for their work to the legislature of the Bangladesh. Today we will know about these three organs in detail. So what is the executive, what is the legislature and judiciary group? In all countries, these three organs are do all of the activities of the government, and these three organs are very much important for running the state. Today we will know about the activities of these three types of organ and the formation of the three types of organs and their power to running the state. Do you tell me who are the members of executive group of the government? Yes, students, all of the government employee are the members of the executive group, like the president, the member of cabinet. Here, prime minister also included. The president, the member of cabinet, and all of the government employee in town and in city. All types of government employee are the members of executive group. What is the activities of the executive group? Here some points. At first, executive group works for maintaining the discipline of the country. For that, they regulates the government. The members of the executive group mainly regulates the government. After that, they conduct all of the regular functions and occasional functions. All types of functions conducted by the executive group. And they maintains law and order. Which law and which order? That law enacting by the legislature group and order of the legislature. After the discussion of executive, we will discuss the legislature group. So, they maintains the law and order of legislature group and all types of regular functions, and they are planning all problems solution, that all are implements by the executive group. That means all types of government work is implementing by the executive group. I hope you all are clear about the activities of the executive group. Now we will discuss about the legislature group of the government. Who are the members of legislature? Yes, students, the members of legislature are elected by the general people. Here, the election is different types of election is present in different types of countries. In Bangladesh, our member of parliament or member of legislature are elected by the indirect vote of general people. We learned about the election in our previous classes, how our member of parliaments are elected. The name of the legislature of Bangladesh is the Parliament or Jatiyo সংসদ, National Parliament or Jatiyo সংসদ. Many countries has different names. Like the United States Parliament's name is Congress. And many Muslim countries Parliament's name is Majlis, like this. And the types of parliament is different in different country. Like the types of Bangladesh parliament is unicameral. Unicameral means the one chamber of parliament, like Bangladesh. But some countries has two chamber of parliament. Two chamber of parliament means bicameral. Here unicameral means this is the central government, and here all of the legislature members come to the central government and implement their work. But bicameral means another chamber. This type of government, unicameral and bicameral, about the unicameral and bicameral parliament, we have already read in our previous classes. Bicameral means two chamber of parliament, like India, like United States. Here, which country has many types of provinces? That country has bicameral parliament. Here, the provinces are another parliament and a central parliament. But we have only one parliament and one chamber. That is called unicameral parliament. And we have one parliament and one central government. We will discuss about the central government in our next classes. So, what are the activities of legislature? At first, legislature group or our parliament is enacting all types of laws. Without the permission of legislature, no laws are enacted, and the amending they are amending laws. If we amended some laws, obviously we cannot amended any laws. Only the legislature group can amended the laws. And every year we have planned a budget, and only the parliament has the power to approve the budget. And when parliament or legislature approve the budget, who are implement that budget? Yes, students, legislature group planning the budget or approve the budget, but implementing work goes to executive group. The budget is implementing by executive group. I hope you all are understood about the activities of legislature group. We have known about the enacting law. Who enacted laws? The legislature group is enacting the laws, and the executive groups are implementing that laws. But some people of any country are here who breaks these laws, and our judiciary group is here for protecting that laws. For protecting that laws, they punish all the infringers. Infringers means who violate the laws or break the laws. They are called infringers. And our judiciary groups are punishing that infringers who break the laws, that laws enacted by legislature group. After that, the judiciary group works for establish peace. Works for establishing peace in a country. When a judiciary group work for protecting laws and punish the infringers, that time all of the peoples are afraid for the laws. Sorry to say, in Bangladesh, the punishment of all laws are not implementing properly. That is our bad luck. But we hope in future all the laws are implementing properly and punishing properly to the all infringers who breaks the laws. And that time the peace is establishing. Without punishing the infringers or without implementing properly that laws, we cannot get the peace in a country. After that, they works for protecting individual freedoms. Our judiciary groups is working for protecting individuals' freedoms. Individual freedoms means all of the people are get their basic rights, and they move freely in all of the Bangladesh. I hope our judiciary group will work for the protecting our individuals' freedoms, and that time our peace is established. Who are the members of Judiciary Group? Students, all of the lawyer and all of the justice of the Bangladesh are the member of Judiciary Group, and they work for establishing peace. Our Chief Justice is recommended by the President, and our all justice and lawyers are selected by the many types of exam, or selecting by the higher level of government employee. And obviously here the President is the main selector for the Justice and Chief Justice. And obviously the President take the advice of Prime Minister. We hope our Judiciary Group is work for the establishing peace, and Bangladesh CA, the Bangladeshi people get the all types of justice. When the justice is established in the country, that time we move freely. I hope you all are understood about these three organs of the Bangladesh government and their formation and their activities. I provide a lecture sheet with it, but you obviously read the book. At first, you will read the lecture sheet. After that, you will read the book, and after that, you will solve the worksheet which is given. Thank you very much, students.